I wish you a really nice and friendly welcome today on this beautiful day at the Higher Technical College in Villach in Austria. So I'm very, very glad and also very proud to inform you about a workshop that is taking place at our school. This year's topic is democracy.
So we chose the entrance, of course we all know our school entrance. It's a very interesting space, I would say. You know, we all walk into this building every day.
So Eric, what is your professional background?
My name is Eric Willemsen. I live in Vienna, but I'm a Dutch journalist working as a freelance journalist in Austria for international media. So my background is that I work for media worldwide, mainly for the Associated Press, which is an American press agency. Maybe you ask, what does that have to do with the whole democracy theme we are talking about here? Of course, journalists are one of the saviors of democracy. That's their main role. What I'm trying to do at this workshop is trying to get some specific topics journalists are working on a daily basis every day, try to make a bridge to everyday life. Because what you see is that many people are confronted with democracy topics in their daily life, but don't actually realize it. We take so many things for granted in our daily lives, especially we in the Western world, and especially in Austria. We have basically everything we could wish for when we look at democratic perspective. So it's always good to be aware of the things that surround you, things that can be improved. And what I try to do at this workshop is give some input at how I look at things from a journalistic perspective, from my professional background, and try to translate it into everyday life. How can pupils and how can students use these inputs for themselves and develop their own awareness of democratic values?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about yourself and why do you plan and facilitate workshop for schools?
Yeah, thank you. I'm Christina Merl. I'm based in Vienna and I represent Poetry in Business, which is an organization to promote future skills. Future skills are so-called 21st century skills like creativity, imagination, collaborative teamwork, empathy. And I have been organizing and facilitating these workshops for schools for many years and also with HTL Villach, because I'm convinced that young people need to get every opportunity to work on their future skills, to become aware of the importance. And as today we work on democratic values, I think it is an added value, and it makes perfect sense to look at our daily life at school from a completely different perspective.
Hello, my name is Richard Overnoster and I'm the head of the Construction Technology Department at the HTL Villach. I'm very happy that the democracy workshop is being held at our school because democracy values cannot be taken for granted and therefore discussion is very important. I'm very proud of our students and I'm looking forward to hear their opinions on the topic of democracy.